Oh, goodness. All right. Now, this one's going to test out the trig a little bit. Oh, yeah. Getting down to it. So, for some angle, the cosecant of that angle is -8/5. What is the cosine of 2 times that angle? Right? Just a bunch of stuff there. All right. Here's Dr. Michelson's tips and tricks when it comes to problems involving trig. My advice when dealing with trig is, when possible, split it up into sines and cosines. Get everything back to sines and cosines. It might be more algebra and it might be more stuff going on, but everything gets simpler, I believe, when you break it down into sines and cosines. Let's start off with what's been given. Okay, we've been given the cosecant of theta is -8/5. Now, if we've been given the cosecant of theta, that is a term that we know. Is there a way that we can take that and turn it into sines and cosines? Okay, how so? One over sine. In other words, if I have the cosecant of theta is -8/5, I propose to you that the sine of theta is -5/8. Sound good? Now, I know this. What I'm trying to find is that. So how do I do that? Well, is there an identity we can use? Well, we could. That's a possibility. We could do an arc sine or an inverse sine to get an angle, and then we could say, all right, now that we got that angle, cosine of 2 times that angle. I'm lazy, and I would like to explore the use of this manual a little bit. Is there an identity that I could use? What about this one? On page 24, about middle of the way down, I see that the cosine of 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sine squared of alpha. Everybody see that? So I propose then that the cosine of 2 theta is 1 minus 2 times the sine squared of theta, which is 1 minus 2 times -5/8 squared, which is 1 minus 2 times 25 over 64, which is 1 minus 25 over 32.
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.